How to find my Airdrop files. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to find my Airdrop files. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So for this one, I will send an Airdrop first. So as you can see right here, I will actually wait for it to be sent. So as you can see, it actually asks me to share this, so I just need to accept and it will be added to me, and it can open it through the Chrome, APK downloader, or files. So if you want, you can open this through files, and as you can see, it is located in the downloads. So just click on save and it will be located there. Now for example, you have accidentally exited files, for example. So if you want to locate it, you just need to head over to files right here. And then once you're in there, as you can see, it will automatically open since this is the last opened file. So if you want to locate it, just click on browse right here. And then from in there, just click on this browse right here. And then click on this things right here. So if you click on my iPhone, you can see here the downloads. So click on downloads right here. And in here, you should locate the PDF. So the PDF is this one right here, as you can see. So just click on that and you will be able to open it now. Now, if you airdrop a photo, it will automatically be saved to your photos folder. So as you can see right here, I have airdropped myself this photo earlier and it actually sent me this photo. So what I can do next is, if I want to actually locate my file on my Mac, this actually involves coding. So you need to check that out. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to locate airdrop files. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks.